Hey, what is up, guys? This is Dylan from Why Not Complex, and today in this wonderful tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a square in Paint.net. Alright, guys, so, first of all, you want to just start making the basic outline. So, squares obviously have like 4 sides, so first you want to make the first side here, so just make sure you have the paintbrush tool, and then you just want to any brush size. Turn out the hardness. Alright, so first you just want to make the first side. There you go. The first side, and then the second side, and then the third side, and then the fourth side, and then the fifth side, and then the sixth side, and then the seventh side, and then the eighth side, and then the ninth side, and then the 10th side, and then the 11th side, and then 12th side, and then the 14th side. Wait. Okay, well, thank you for watching this YouTube tutorial. Please click subscribe, and if you want to see more from us, then make sure you hit that bell notification. Hit that bell, so you can get notifications. So yeah, that was my tutorial. Please subscribe.